Hi class, this is Miss Rutan again. So today what I'm going to show you is how to conjugate any IR ending verb. In this case, I picked the verb vivir, which is to live. So this is how we conjugate then. So we know that we always keep the root of the verb, in this case, be, viv, and then we add the ending, which is yo vivo, because we know that the ending for yo, for the IR ending verb, is o. From then we have tu, which is tu vives. Then we had él, ella, usted vive. Then we have nosotros vivimos, because imos is the ending for nosotros. Vosotros vivís, with the accent on top. And then ellos, ellas, ustedes viven, because the ending for ellos, ellas, ustedes for the IR verb are N. So this is how I conjugate the verbo vivir. When I say yo vivo, tú vives, él vive, ella vive, usted vive, nosotros vivimos, nosotras vivimos, vosotros vivís, vosotras vivís, ellos viven, ellas viven, ustedes viven. And do not forget, these are the regular IR ending verb or verbs, depending how many you're conjugating. Okay, thank you.